is a wonderful community. It is located between Medford and Ashland. Now, some of you may know about the fires that happened here in Southern Oregon in 2020, and Phoenix was greatly affected. Phoenix and actually the next town over, Talent. Much of this community was wiped out by that fire, homes and businesses. But we're starting to now see a lot of revitalization, a lot of new construction happening, and Phoenix is just a wonderful place to be.
The Foodery is the newest hotspot in Phoenix with 5 restaurants and a central tap house with covered seating, fire pits, and rooftop seating. They feature some of the best food in town, including 2 of my favorites, Walkstar and Peruvian Point. Nearby, there's also the Oregon Cheese Cave offering specialty cheeses, and Kohilu Cafe, where I recommend you try their special mushroom coffee because it is delicious. 2 other favorite dining spots of mine are Charm Thai, which is an outstanding Thai restaurant that also has patio dining, and Clyde's Corner. It's a fabulous pizza spot. It has indoor and outdoor seating and fire pits. Super cute. Now, one spot I haven't tried yet, but I'm excited to check out is Moxie Brew, which brews their own kombucha, and then they also have a small menu, so definitely want to check that one out.
Hi, I'm Simona Fino with the Rockwell Group and eXp Realty, and today we are going to be touring a home here in beautiful Phoenix, Oregon. Now, this home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,365 square feet, and it is move-in ready. Let's go inside and take a look.
This home is located in a great neighborhood on a quiet cul-de-sac. There are brand new wood vinyl floors throughout the home, and it comes with all of the appliances. It was listed for $350,000, and I have to tell you, move-in ready homes like this are highly sought after here in Southern Oregon, and this one is no exception. The seller had 4 offers and went pending within 10 days of being on the market. So if you've got a home you're considering selling in Phoenix, reach out. I'd be happy to help. My number is 541-326-2552.